Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close look at the Fulton Stowaway Deluxe. So let's just take a look at the product hang tag. So this is the product hang tag for the Fulton Stowaway Deluxe. And just taking a look at the details of the hang tag or product tag or label. And let's open it up by flipping it open, and you can see that it opens into three or across three panels, giving you a look at the product details and care and usage instructions for this Fulton Stowaway Deluxe, and taking a look at the details on the reverse side of this hang tag. Okay, and just closing it up and setting it down on the right hand side of the tabletop. And of course, now taking a look at this foldable wind resistant umbrella by Fulton. So the Fulton Stowaway Deluxe, giving you a look as it is in its packaged form, and to give you some sense of its size, resting it in my palm and gripping it as well. Okay, let's pop off the protective bubble wrap packaging. So just sliding that bubble wrap packaging off and collapsing that extendable telescopic shaft back into the umbrella itself. So giving you a look right now overall at the details of this Fulton Stowaway Deluxe. So once again, giving you perhaps a better look this time round with the bubble wrap packaging off and gripping it again and resting it in my palm. So overall, details right there. So it does measure 27 centimeters in length in its closed or folded state. And now taking a much closer in look at its details, so we can see the Fulton logo right there with a polished design. And just flipping it over to give you a look at the reverse side of that brand tag and the overall look with the umbrella in its cover or carry pouch or sleeve. And we can see that it does have a wooden handle as well, a smooth wooden handle, and we can see the Fulton branding in the base of the handle. So giving you a look right there at the handle, which has a rich brown colour, and it does have a hand strap or carry strap, as you can see right there. So just looping my hand into that strap or loop. And now let's slide off the sleeve or cover of this Fulton Stowaway Deluxe. And once again, just giving you another look at the sleeve now removed. You can set it on the side, so just going to set it on the left hand side of the tabletop. And now giving you a look. I'm going to move it to the right hand side instead so it doesn't interfere with the foreground as we focus in on the details of the umbrella. So right there we go. Much clearer view now of the umbrella in its compacted or closed state. And of course it does have polyester panels for the canopy, and it is UPF 30 plus rated, so offering some ultraviolet protection. Now once again, holding it in my hand and gripping it as well. Just giving you that full view with the hand strap or loop. And let's extend the telescopic shaft right there. And some close-up details of that wooden handle once again. Now with the shaft extended. So in the closed form, once again, 27 centimeters in length. And now we can undo the Velcro strap to release the canopy. So you can see, giving you a close-up look of the polyester panels making up the canopy of this Fulton Stowaway Deluxe. And of course, giving you a look at that top or tip of the umbrella as well. It does have the Fulton branding at the very top. So in a slightly metallic satin finish. Okay, and let's once again extend the umbrella, but not opening it up fully yet. Just giving you a look at the shaft of the umbrella. And now let's fully open the umbrella and giving you a look at the details as best that I can. With the umbrella now opened, you can see a label in the canopy of the umbrella with the 100% polyester and Fulton branding on its reverse. Okay, so doing my best here with the setup that I have. We'll take a further out look in just a moment, but just giving you that close-up look at the tips of the ribs and the UPF 30 plus polyester panels. And now just closing the umbrella back up. And giving you an overall look once again. And of course, closing it down. And wrapping the fastening strap closed. Of course, closing up the handle as well, so there we go, and it's closed up state. Now let's take a better look with a better perspective further out, so let me just move the tag and the sleeve just across right there, and let's pan the camera up. So we have a better look at the Fulton Stowaway Deluxe. So right here, the Fulton Stowaway Deluxe, as you can see, and gripping it as well. Okay, so just going to open it back up by releasing that Velcro strap. And of course, opening up the umbrella. So it does have a span of about 97 centimeters. So 97 centimeters across. The canopy of the umbrella, and 8 ribs as well, and just to give you a sense right there of the overall details of the umbrella. So now you have a much clearer look at the underside of the umbrella. And of course, closing the umbrella up, simply pushing down on that button and collapsing it. And just quickly closing it down, and there we go. Neatly closed and quickly opening right there, and for the wind resistance, just pumping it to give you some sense of the umbrella's performance. Once again, very vigorous shakes. Of this Fulton Stowaway Deluxe. So there we go, closed up very neatly and tidily. And of course, tucking the tips of the canopy into the handle. So that's the Fulton Stowaway Deluxe. Thanks for watching and happy covering!